Okay, so here's the issue. This is my general Photoshop setup for my professional work. I'll have a reference board over here on the left side covering some portion of my top left part of my screen, of my canvas over here. And so generally, I'll be working a little right of center on my tablet. Problem with the new flip horizontal is this. When I want to zoom out to look at my image, it'll flip all the way and be obscured. The solution, I guess, is every time that I zoom out, I carefully place my canvas in the center. But even then, it's still jumping a little bit. This is strongly preferred the old version, so I don't know if there's anything that can be done. Thanks.